Hi friends, this is TKD. I am having 15 years of computer programming experience, and today I'm going to share my Salesforce experience about how to provide business value to the custom objects, as well as to provide like create and edit custom objects, and how can we create a custom tab objects, how can we create a custom tab for a custom object. So we will begin with our imaginary example wherein we have like a imaginary example of Sai Ram Solar Incorporation. This is a central India-based supplier of solar components and systems. It's a small company with around 200 employees, but this is a growing fast and it is looking to Salesforce. It is looking from Salesforce to help the company blossom. So we have a Mitali Das, who is the company's admin, and she is in charge of configuring and customizing Salesforce to meet Sairam Solar Incorporation's needs. Okay, all right. First, let's create a custom object. Let's create a custom energy audit object. From the object manager in setup, create custom object. Now enter energy audit as the label. Select the box to indicate that it starts with a vowel sound. In the search section, select Allow Search. Select Launch New Custom Tab Wizard. After, after saving this object, you will see why in a minute. Leave the rest of the values as they are and click Save. Refresh the page. Easy peasy, right? Oh, okay. Let me enter the value in the label. Yay! Now we'll create a custom object tab here. This is a key step in configuring a custom object. Without a custom tab, you can't add a custom object to an app. Because you selected Launch New Custom Tab Wizard after saving this custom object, you are right where you need to be, and the Energy Audit object is already selected. Click the tab style lookup icon and select the sun color. Here you go. Click on the sun color, click next. Click next again. Now here for that deselect the include tab and select only sales. That is standard lightning sales. Here you find the standard lightning sales. Now click on save. Now you see the details of the energy audit custom object. Now create custom fields. We will create energy audit records. Sairam Solar Incorporation is expanding the energy consultation business. So, and is offering personalized energy assessments to its customers. But Sairam Solar Incorporation doesn't have a place to track and manage the results. Using custom objects and fields, Mithali is going to build an energy consulting app by creating a custom object called Energy Audit and creating a few custom fields for it. Sairam Solar Incorporation can track information on its customers' energy usage and recommend which type of solar panel installation is a good fit for them. So, throughout this playlist, we will follow in Mitali's footsteps as she gets Salesforce into shape for the Sairam Solar Incorporation team to use it. So, her first task is to create the energy audit object. Let's do that. Click the field and relationships, then create new, click new. Choose pick list as the field type. Click next. Give it a label, type of installation. Select enter values, making sure to enter each one on a new line. First is rooftop, then carport, then ground mounted. Select use first value as default value and then click on next. Okay, leave the field level security settings as they are and then click next. Leave the energy audit layout selected and then click save. That one field isn't quite enough though. The energy consultants also need to capture how much the customer is paying each month and what their monthly energy usage is. Now the custom object is really taking shape. Nice work. And don't forget that it's easy to modify an existing custom field to fit your needs at any time. Let's say you want to sort your data even more granularly, or you want to change a text entry field to a pick list to clean up data for reports. So we will need a lookup relationship account, which is related to account. We will click on always require a value in this field in order to save a record. We'll click on next. We'll keep it. We'll keep all the field level security as it is. Click on next. We will add advanced field. We'll keep it next. We'll keep it as it is. Now we will create one more. We need to create one more field. This time, this will be a currency. Now the field label would be average annual electric cost. The length we will keep it as 16. Decimal places we will put it as 2. The help text we will provide like annual cost per square foot. We'll always select like always require a value in this field in order to save a record. We'll click on next. Keep all the values as it is. We'll click on save. Now we will click on another custom field and relationship account. Now this time we will go with a number. This time the label will be annual energy usage in kilowatt hour. We'll give a length as 18, decimal as 0. We'll keep it as it is. We'll need to have always require a value in this field in order to save a record. Keep as it is. Click on save. We'll create a final object, final relationship. This time it will be, let's provide audit notes. Let's make it like a text area. Let's name this field as audit notes. We'll keep all the default values. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, TKD Health Tips, to know about more about Salesforce things. Thank you. Now we are going to create energy audit records. As we all know, an object is nothing without records to fill it out. Prior to implementing Salesforce, this company was tracking all the audits in its spreadsheet. Oh, that's a big horror. Part of Mithali's job as the admin is to enter those edit records into Salesforce. So we'll go to Setup. Under All Items, we'll type Energy Audit. We'll click on New. We'll type a imaginary name, Reliance Major Evaluation. Let's let's keep a type installation as rooftop. Average energy electric cost, let's make it 1.86. Average energy usage, let's make it 23. Energy audit name, let's make it Reliance Major Evaluation. Let's type of installation rooftop. Let's average annual electric cost, let's keep it 1.86, and energy usage as 23. All right, so let's create a new account for this. Let's give like a, so we have created Reliance Major, Energy Major is created. So now we'll click on save. So this record is saved now. Let's create few more records. Energy audit again. One new. Give it like sales for evaluation as a new account of lookup object. Click on save. So this has been created. Let's give the annual electric cost as 1.87 plus 1.23. So with this we have created like two records. These numbers seems to be very small, but they are cost and usage per square foot. So for buildings with many thousands of square foot, that adds up to a lot of energy use, and that's a big bill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get to know my latest updates on Salesforce. Thank you guys. See you. Stay blessed, stay happy.